Hey everyone, it's Jenny with Simply Living Saves, and today is Scratch, Stick, and Roll Day. Usually I use these challenges to help save up for a boat, and we are still considering it. Now that we have the camper, we may still want to get a boat in the future. To me, I would probably be okay with just hopping on with some friends because a couple of our friends have boats, but we'll kind of see. Sometimes my husband, depending on if they're, our friends aren't doing as much fishing or something, we may want to eventually purchase our own boat. But we are working with $500, 51, 52, 53, 20, 40, 60, 84, 10, 20, 30, 40, 55, 65, 75, 80, 82, 84, 86, 88, 90, 92, 94, 96, 98, 500. And I am working with prop money. I go ahead and transfer the $500 to my high yield savings account. And then when I'm done with the challenge, then I will go ahead and transfer those funds into my boat category in my high yield savings account. So since we're not utilizing this money right away, there's no need to have this in real cash. And let's see here. Let's go ahead and start with the first challenge, which is from Janelle Ray Budgets. And I'm pretty sure we are going to be able to finish this one. I'm going to go ahead and put it on my clipboard because sometimes when I'm using like this cushy little mat, it's hard to scratch the ones that don't have lamination. So I will finish this out right here and we will see what we're going to have to save. Okay, so we have a 5, 6, 7, 1, and 3, $22 to finish this one off. 22, and let's see what this one saved us. I'm not for sure. I think it's supposed to be 200 total. So let's see if we got 200, 150, 170, 175, 177, 179, 180. Okay, that's a big difference here from 200, 150, 170. Let me total these up and see if it's correct. Yeah, it's supposed to equal 200. I'm really not for sure what happened, but we're going to make it 200 and pull 250s. So that way this is 152. It could be when I swapped out, I used to have this in real cash. It could be that maybe I did the swap out wrong or something. So 200 in this challenge, we get to ring the bell and add $1 to Donna Powered by Creativity's Ding 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 challenge. And we have one finished. The next one we are going to start is this one from Janelle Ray Budgets. It's a scratch off on the front and a roll and save on the back. And let's just go ahead and start this one off. I will scratch off this first one. We have 1 and 8, which is 9, 5, 7, 9, and then I do want to do some on the back, and I'm trying to figure out what dice do I want to roll. I kind of want to do maybe the D12. Let's do the D12. So let me find my D12. Let's send it down my dice tower, and we are saving 4. So 2, 4. Let's roll one more time. Okay, so I kind of got distracted here. My puppy is being mean to my older dog here. So 9, 10, 11, 15 total. 10, 15. They're almost like little kids sometimes, those dogs. It's being naughty. He wants to play. My older ones are old. Like Lily is 17 years old and she is not moving around very well anymore. And so she is just never up for playing. And this one we have an IOU of $1, so let's go ahead and pay that and set that to the side. So let's roll 2 dice, and we got 2 1s. So that's $2. I think we can go again. 6 and 5. Wow, there are no 5s on this one. So what I decided to do is go ahead and kind of start on the next challenge if I don't have that number. So let's find a 5. And then do we have a 6? But we do have a 6 on this one. So let's go ahead and color in the 6. So that's $11. 10, I don't think I have ones. Let me see if I have 2 ones. I do. I have 2 ones. We'll put a 2 in here. And here's the 11. And let's go one more time. We have a 4 and a 3. So that is $7. So let's put 3 back and grab a 10. And then we can put these 2 10s back and put in a 20. And so far in this one, we have 20, 32. Okay, this one's from the Blessed Daisy Budgets. I'm going to go ahead and scratch off 2, and then I think I'm going to roll a couple on the back side. So we have a 7 and 3, which is 10. And let's go on the back, and I think we should roll a D20. And I think I should write that on here so we don't forget we're rolling a D20. And let me grab that. And we have a 4. Let's go again. And an 8. And let's try to go 2 more times. And we got a 9. And a 3. So for this one, we'll be saving 4, 8, 9, 3, 24 more dollars. 20, 2, 4, and we're putting in 34. 20, 35, 37, 39, 41, 42. Let's put these 2, let's put this 5 back and grab a 5. Okay, the sticker challenge from Liz and Les. I'm going to go ahead and do 15. So let's do this $8 cow and the $7 one for 15, 10, 15, and we have a total of 50, 65, 67. Okay, this one from Champagne's Corner, we're going to go ahead and finish it. So I'm just going to do these last 2. So we have a 1 and 3 for $4, and this should save us 75. So let's see if we have 75, 50, 72, 74, 75. And that is another one finished. So let's paper clip it, set it to the side, and ring the ding, 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 and add another $1. Okay. And I think I want to start, let's go ahead and start on these. This is, I believe, are from Star Budgets. And let's just do a couple here. So that is $11, 10, 11. Start this one off. Okay, this one is from D Plans and Budgets. Let me get this clipboard out of the way. I'm going to roll 2 dice and we save where they intersect. So we have 1 and 2. Those are done. 3 and 4. So we can do this 3 and 4, and the record is $1. 3 and 1. Those are done. 6 and 3. So we can do this 6 and 3. The smiley face is 4. So let's put this one back. Grab a 5. 3 and 2. Those are done. 4 and 5. Those are done. 3 and 1. That's done. 4 and 1. So we can do this peace sign, which is $3. So 2, 3. 4 and 1 is done. Oh, nope, we can do this 4 and 1, which is another $1. 6 and 1. This flower is $6. 2, 4, 6. 3 and 2. Those are done. 4 and 1. It's done. 6 and 1. We can do this van, which is $6. So we can put 4 back and grab a 10. And then I think I'll stop there. 10, 12, or 10, 15, 17, 19, 20, 21. Let's go ahead and grab a 20. So far we have 50, 70, 90, 110, 111. I think I'm going to go ahead and grab this 50 and a 10. I put in 60, and so I took back 60 and a 5 and a 10. Okay, this one is from Lindsay at Boy Mom Loves to Save, and I want to go ahead and finish this one. So we just need to scratch off these last 3. So we have 7, 9, and 8 for $24. 20, 2, 4, and this should save us 100. Let's see if I have 100. 50, 70, 95, 97, 99, 100. Let's put these back and grab a 50. And that is another one finished for today. It's awesome. Get that boat fund filled up. Because we're kind of starting over on our boat fund because I put it all towards when we purchased the camper. So we did not have to take out a loan for our camper. And we get to put another $1 in. And the next challenge I will be starting is this one from Holly at Kingdom Planning. And I'm trying to think if I want to start it. I think I'm going to wait to start it just so I can make sure I get through all my challenges. If I have extra, then I can go ahead and go back to that one. Okay, let's go ahead and scratch off these from Allie at Planning with Boys. So we have 4, 3, and 1. So that is 8. I almost want to finish it because we only have 2 left. Let's go ahead and do these last 2. Okay, so we had 10, 12, 16, 19, $20 exactly. And let's see what this set of challenge saved us. 50, 70, 90, 100. Let's put these 2 back, grab that 50. And that is another challenge done. We get to ring the bell and we get to add $1. Okay, I actually did not have another challenge. I didn't think I was going to finish that one, but we might have to pull one. All right, next I am actually incorporating Lady Dice Saves 4th of July book. I always think of, when you think of camping and boating, I think of 4th of July. So I thought this book would be perfect in here. And let's just go ahead and scratch off this very first one on this first page. And that is $5. So 5, and let me see how many pages there are. I think I'm just going to work on 1 page at a time. So let's just go ahead and start scratching on this one. Okay, so we got 5, 4, and 1, which is $10. So we're going to put a total of $15 to start this cute book from Lady Dice Saves. I just love it. It's just absolutely beautiful. So we roll my D20, 12, 10, 8, and 6. So we have an 11, 7, 4, 6, and 10. So $38. I think that was the most that we've saved in this one so far. 38. 25, 35, 37, 38, and let's see what we have in here. 1, 20, 40, 55, 65, 70, 72, 73, 74. Let's go ahead and grab a 50. 20, 35, 45, 50. Okay. Okay, the next we have this challenge from Tracy at Golden Girl Budgets, and I am also, she always sends this little sticker pack with her challenges, and I'm using it as a savings challenge. And I think I'm doing $5 each. So I'm going to go ahead and finish the sticker portion of it. So we need to add $10. That is just so cute. So $10 for that part. And then I'm going to go ahead and just scratch maybe 2 on this one. So that's $14 more. 5, 10, 12, 14. $50, $70, $80, $95, $100, and 2, 4, 6, $106, $20, $30, $45, $50. And let's grab a 6. 5, 6. Okay, and then for my challenge, we are rolling a D6, and I'm going to go ahead and do another row. And we got a 1. Let's roll both these dice. And we got 2 6s. Oops. And 1 more. And a 6. So let's add this up. We have 1, 6, 6, 4, 3, 5, 4, and 6. So $35, 20, 35, and that's completes this one. Let's see what this one saved us. We have 120, 130, 140, 145, 150, 152, 153. 153. That is another challenge done. Let's paper clip this. Set it to the side, and we get to ring the bell and add another $1. Okay, and I will be starting this one next. This is another one of my challenges, and maybe we should just go ahead and start it. I think we should. So let's go ahead and roll 2 dice. So we have a 3 and 1, 3, 2, 3, 5, 2 more, 5 and 2. So that is 3, 1, whoops, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 5, 5, 2, 24. So we'll start this one with $24. 20, 2, 4. And the last one in this one is this one from the Humble Budgeter. And I'm just going to scratch off. Let's do three of them. We got a 1, 4, and 3. So that is $8. 5. Let me see if I have a 1. So if we go 5, 7, 9, and then put a 1 back. And so far we have 10, 15, 20, 22, 24, 26. Okay, so 10, 15, 20. Okay, and then I'm going to go back, and I know there was one challenge that we did not start. It was Holly's. And I think on this back, I'm going to roll a D12. So let me get out my D12, and let's do a couple rolls. We got a 10 and an 8. So that's 18, 10, 15, 17, 18. And then let's scratch a couple. Oh, and we get to, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to roll a dice to determine how much these are worth. So the green one is worth 3. This one is worth 5, the red one. Let's see what this yellow orange one is. 3, and then the blue one is worth 3. Okay. Let's go ahead and scratch off this first one. And so that is $3. Let's do another one. So that is a total of 8. Let's put 2 back and this 10 back and grab a 20. So we're starting this one with, let's see here. I think we could do, let's do a couple more rolls. And we have a 7. And a 5. Let's go one more time. And a 4. So that is another 16. 10, 15. I'll put this 2 and put this 1 back. So we're putting in 20, 35, 40, 42 to start this one. Let's add this one from Cruise Budgets. This was a freebie. I just went ahead and laminated it and added some scratch off stickers. So we have 4, 12, 7, 23, 22, 3. Let's roll all these down. Okay, I'll count this one. So 18, 3, 7, 2, 6. So that is another 36. 20, 35. And do I have a 1? I'll put this 1 back and put that in. 20, 35, 37 more dollars going into this one. 150, 170, 190. 200 and 5, 7, 9, 11. 211. I don't know. I think we could go one more time. Let's see here. So we have a 20, a 3, 8, 4, 2. Another $37. So do I have $3 to put back? I'll put this 3 back. And that's another one finished, and we will see what this one saved us. 150, 170, 190, 210, 230, 240, 245, 247. 247. And that is another one complete. And we gotta ring the bell and add another $1. Okay, and then I have this one from Lady Dice Saves. And what do I want to roll? Let's do a D12 on this one too. So let me pull that out and let's see here. We have 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we have $11. I'm going to risk it. We could get an IOU, and we got a 10. So 5, 7, 9, 10, and we have $1 left. I'm not for sure what I can do with that $1. Let me take a look. Let's just go to this one because I'm only rolling a D6, so then my IOU won't be so bad. And we got a 2, which is perfect. So we almost got away with it with no IOU. But we have a $1 IOU, which I have one right here sitting to the side. So I can go ahead and put this in, put in our $1 IOU, and we were pretty productive today. We got to finish quite a few in this binder. We finished this set from Allie, Planning with Boys. We finished mine for, actually I should have wrote the amount in here, 247. We finished another one of mine, this Disco Party one for 153, Champagne's Corner for 75, Janelle Ray Budgets, this one was 200, and then this Scratch Off was 100 from Lindsay at Boy Mom Loves to Save. So that is all I have for you guys. I hope you have a great rest of your week and our weekend, and I will talk to you later. Bye.